Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're focusing on the final step that makes all the difference, compound removal. In this video, we'll walk you through the detailed process of removing compound residue to achieve a clean, polished finish. Honestly, you guys, this is a step most people rush, and it's exactly where quality shows. The process begins by cleaning the rubber seals and compartment doors. A 3M cloth and paintbrush are used to carefully remove compound buildup from tight edges and textured surfaces, ensuring no residue is left behind. Next, attention shifts to the hood grill areas. Using a paintbrush and beaver cleaner, the technician works through the small openings and intricate details to break down and remove any remaining compound. The window sills are then cleaned using a 3M towel and paintbrush. This step is critical for removing excess compound from seams and edges, leaving a crisp, professional appearance. Moving to the entry steps, beaver cleaner and a cloth are used to thoroughly clean the interior surfaces. This ensures all compound residue is removed from high traffic areas that are easily overlooked. To clean the front cap window, the tape and any overspray must be removed. A razor blade is carefully used to eliminate buildup, requiring a steady hand to avoid scratching the surface while achieving a flawless finish. With all the compound removed, the coach is left with a clean, polished, and professional look. Stay tuned for more detailing and paint process videos. Thank you for watching.